Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Changan CS75 Plus, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 12,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate 6, push start, keyless entry, leather and power seat, infotainment system, 360 camera and sensors, panoramic sunroof, cash price, 778,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 159,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage fee and comprehensive insurance. ...2018 model Nissan Juke N-Style, 1.6-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 35,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, good condition, ending plate 3, all stock, original, push start, keyless entry, cruise control, back camera, dual airbag, leather seats, cash price, 628,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 125,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage fee and comprehensive insurance. ...2023 model Toyota Fortuner LTD, 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 3,000 kilometers mileage, with CASA PMS record, almost new condition, first owned, 7-seater, ending plate 7, paddle shifter, 8-inch display audio, premium 9-speaker JBL sound system, built-in shock absorber, leather seats, cash price, 2,098,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 419,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage fee and comprehensive insurance. 2023 model Mitsubishi Strada GLS, 4-wheel drive, 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, manual transmission, 22,000 kilometers mileage, casa maintenance record, first owned, ending plate 6, push start button, keyless entry, dual airbag, touchscreen head unit, GPS navigation, with rear parking and backup camera. Cash price, 1,098,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 231,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage fee and comprehensive insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.